Looking for plump, hydrated, and smooth skin? Meet your skin's best friend, Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid works like a sponge. It holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, locking moisture deep into your skin. The result? A fresh, dewy, and youthful glow. It smooths fine lines, improves skin elasticity, and gives you that glass skin effect naturally. In a glass bowl, slowly sprinkle the hyaluronic acid powder into the water. Stir gently. It may look clumpy, let it sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, you'll have a clear gel. Add glycerin and vitamin E, mix, and pour into your bottle. Apply on damp skin, morning and night, before moisturizer. Store in a cool place and use within 2 weeks. Your skin deserves deep hydration, the natural way.